Monday, July 8th, 3:36 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. This video is going to go over day trading options on the SP 500 during the New York session. U.S. stock market, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time. Same with the options that trade on the equity indexes. I choose this particular asset because it's got the best liquidity, tight spread, volume. That's a good thing. That is the S&P 500. Let's go to the chart. One of the charts I use is to have my top down of the S&P 500 futures because they trade longer hours. I want to see what happens overnight. So I have this on one monitor, left 15 minutes, and 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and a daily. Looking at this to determine where we might go to for direction. What's the current trend, higher high, higher low on multiple time frames. So here on the daily chart, on the far right, well, higher high, higher low, big wick on the top. Suspicious. And also look at the cash index. Show you that different. There we go. Cash index, small trading range for the day, and it's red candle on top of a trend. Closes at 4 p.m. Okay, that's suspicious on top of the trend, where the S&P 500 futures will close at 5 p.m. So at 9:30 a.m., I have three financial instruments here, each on a 5-minute. SPX, that's the cash index, $ADD, and the tick, $TICK. Again, trading options on the SPX. So this golden shaded area is from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. And I'm looking for the time frame closer to 10:30 for trades. Now, sometimes during the session, I also trade the futures, the ES. Well, we were up strong this morning at the open on the 5 minutes. ADD, sometimes the early indicator of reversals. So I'm looking for divergencies. I'm going to zoom in some more here. The SPX, bearish pin bar. As soon as that occurred, I was leaning bearish bias. I was looking for confirmation on the tick and the ADD. So this occurred, or I actually got in a trade after it got done. 9:56 in a few seconds. Yep. 9:56 in a few seconds. And then here, 9:56 in a few seconds. Again, we know what happened here. That 5-minute candle, higher high, higher low, happened to be the higher day. And then lower high, lower low. Well, look at here, divergency. Yep. Green, higher high, higher low, trending up. Okay. I'm thinking, yep, maybe we'll get a retest a part of this wick. But I already was pretty bearish bias. Just by that candle alone, bearish bias on this fast move up. And then going here on the tick, let's zoom in. The tick was trending down. Lower lows, lower highs, Zoom in some more right there. Session open, down, down, down. Understand? Divergency. Cash index was going higher. The trend was going lower, low. Big consolidation here. Couldn't even get up here. So my thought was, again, yep, we're going to be selling off. So I'm looking for beer call spreads on the SPX up here. I wanted to do strikes that were higher above here. And I open my notes and we're opening up the option chain so I can show you what I was looking at. So that pin bar, and then I go to the trade, the option, today's options expire, 0 DTE, 8 July, expires today, Immediately I was going here. Again, you see prices are flashing. I was looking for the minimum I want to collect was $1. So I was looking from top down. I was looking at my 8 delta, 16 delta, 30 delta right here. So at the time, cue this in, 55.90. This strike here, 55.90, was a 28 delta. So right now it's 1 delta. At the time, it was a 28 delta. It was the nearest to the 30 delta. It also was priced at $120. I liked it. So that's the one I took. I was short the 59.50, long the 55.95. And at that time, again, delta was 28 delta and the premium collected was 120. Let me zoom up here some more. There we go. That was a short strike. So again, it was way above that pin bar. So I had a lot of room in their space. I think right there it says Delta 28 and premium 120. Never tested that. Good for me. I didn't stay in it all day. That would be max profit, but I certainly didn't do that. I ended up closing it. I think it was like $60, 57, no, 55. Yeah. Closed it around, like bought it back around when it was 55 or 60, give or take. So it was a profit. Then, as we're going down here, right here, I'm seeing this bullish pin bar. But again, this low, well, we took it out. We're making lower lows, lower highs. So I'm thinking that's a fake out. Yeah. Thinking, okay, might get a short-term pop. We trace there, look to reload more bearish trades. And I'm also looking for divergencies to consider to adding more or new bearish spreads right here. Bearish pin bar. 1025, 1025. And you can see we actually were making new lows here on the ADD. So again, ADD, bearish bias. Why would I want to go long here? And then zoom out here. We would continue making lower highs on the tick, all bearish bias. Even though this candle looks bullish, other indicators were showing me bearish. So I'm not going to be a knucklehead at that moment and take it. But I did cue in bull put spreads to look where it was. That's why I have it there. That was at almost 1036 or 1026, something like that. Yeah. So that was a session. Like zoom out more, see how it looks now. There you go. And again, I left. It's done here. That's all. Go back here. Just to show you what's been going on the 4-hour. Overnight trading hours, New York session. Notice that big red candle, bearish pin bar. Go back here. Tomorrow's another day. Pre-market, I'll look at what it is. Just noticed this morning, they popped it up. Oops, let me show you here again. Open it up. We popped open, high day in the morning, and the rest of the day, grind down lower, lower, lower. Thank goodness I didn't get stuck on the wrong side of the trade. Now, tomorrow, I'll reevaluate it. But right now, I'm thinking, it's leaning more bearish bias. We're weak. I'm seeing that here on the daily chart. But a lot could occur between now and then. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.